Good morning, it's Wednesday, May the 26th, and you're watching AGORACOM Small Cap News TV. I'm your host, Paul Kondakos. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced show, bringing you the best press releases along with the halts at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. Folks, relatively slow news cycle day. I've only got one great press release for you. Comes out of the U.S. side, and I've got one halt to report on the second segment of our show. So without any further ado, let's get down to business. Our lead story and one and only story comes out of a company called Solarfun Power Holdings. They trade on the NASDAQ under the symbol SOLF. So anyone that likes the green technology companies and anyone that likes the Chinese companies, this is a company you should be paying attention to. The press release today is regarding unaudited financial results for the quarter ended March 31st, 2010. I've got some highlights for you, which include net revenues were approximately $216 million in Q1, which represents an increase of 18% from the previous quarter and an increase of 115% year over year. Gross profit was approximately $40 million and gross margin was 18.5%. We've also got net income. And this is on a non-GAAP basis, was approximately $23 million, which represents an increase of 65% from the previous quarter, so they're definitely ramping up very quickly. A little bit about the company. They are a manufacturer of silicon ingots, wafers, photovoltaic cells, and photovoltaic modules in China. Company's last at 627, high of 1078, low of 448, market cap of approximately $300 million. Now, moving on to the halts, I've got one, as I had mentioned at the top of the show, Kent Exploration, trades on the TSX Venture under the symbol KEX. They're halted pending news. That's a wrap for today's show. Thanks for joining us. I'm your host, Paul Kondakos. Make sure to join us again here tomorrow. We've got more great press releases and halts in the AM for you.